Hello and welcome to this video on Salesforce's Winter 21 release. If you didn't know, Salesforce releases new updated functionality 3 times a year, meaning that the features that you love are constantly being improved. Today we are going to be focusing on 4 of the features introduced in the Winter 21 release. To start, let's have a look at some of the features introduced to reporting. The reporting tools in Salesforce are incredibly helpful in displaying your data and allowing you to view your data in many different forms. If you have any custom objects or want to see your data in a very specific way, you may have created some custom report types. If you have created a custom report type, you probably know that you then have to add all of the custom fields that you would like to appear into the report. Salesforce has shortened this process considerably now for you, adding the Auto Add button under Reports and Dashboard settings, which automatically adds all the custom fields to the list of available fields in the report editor. No more having to exit your report halfway through to go and add the extra custom field. On the subject of reporting, Winter 21 also brings the ability to be able to receive reports as email attachments. As you may know, you can subscribe to reports, which is very helpful, but viewing a report as an embedded image is not always the most convenient. Now, with Winter 21, you can choose to send your reports as attachments. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button on the report and select Attach File. When the email is sent, the report can either be opened as an Excel file or can be opened in Salesforce. Another element of Salesforce we are going to talk about today is a feature that isn't necessarily brand new, but it is new to Lightning. You may know that if you delete a field, you have to trek all the way back to Classic if you want to either view that deleted field or undo the delete. Not anymore. Now, under the Object Manager, you have the Deleted Fields button, which once clicked takes you back to the original screen you would have had to navigate to in Classic. Finally, as we are talking about releases, we also need to mention the cool new feature in Salesforce that allows you to view all of the release updates that have happened in your org. Within the Setup menu, you are now able to view the release updates that have happened under the 4 tabs available. These tabs show the status of the updates and the steps you have taken to complete them. And there you have it, another release done. If you want to know more about any of these features or are interested in some more highlights from the Winter 21 release, check out our website and read the new Winter 21 release blog. Thanks for watching, see you next time.